Hello everyone. Welcome to Easy Math Tutorials. In this video, we shall see the construction of a 90-degree angle without a protractor. So let's get started. First, draw a ray. Let it be BC. Now, choose a suitable radius on the compass. Center the compass at B and draw an arc so that it cuts the ray BC. Let P be the point where the arc cuts BC. Now, without changing the radius of the compass, center the compass at P and draw an arc so that it cuts the previously drawn arc at Q. Again, without changing the radius of the compass, center the compass at Q and draw an arc so that it cuts the first arc at R. Now, if we draw a ray through BQ, we get 60 degrees, and if we draw a ray through BR, we get 120 degrees. Now, let the radius of the compass be more than half of QR. Center the compass at Q, draw an arc. Without changing the radius, center the compass at R and draw an arc so that it cuts the previously drawn arc at S. Now, draw a ray through B and S. Let it be BA. Thus, angle ABC is 90 degree. Hence, this is the method to construct an angle of 90 degrees without a protractor. Let us check using a protractor. We can see that angle ABC is 90 degrees. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.